Now the second step after the initiation of nerve impulse is the conduction of nerve impulse. As it can be seen from the figure, the conduction of nerve impulse takes place in a unidirectional manner. As said earlier, the nerve impulse formation takes place initially in the repolarized state, which then gradually moves towards the depolarization, and due to short time period, then again becomes repolarized. Thus, this process becomes self-induced since when the membrane electric potential gets reduced in the region near to ion channels, then such a region gets automatically open up. And therefore depolarization followed by repolarization and then again depolarization step goes on continuously. Which occurs automatically. And thereby nerve impulse moves continuously in this direction. However, in order to protect the nerve impulse weakening, there occurs a medullary layer which surrounds the nerve fiber. Due to which the conduction of nerve impulse takes place very easily and swiftly. That is about 100 meters per second. However, in few vertebrate animals, this medullary layer is incomplete or is rather absent at few places, and therefore Such a nerve fiber with incomplete medullary layer that consists of myelin sheath are called nodes of Ranvier. Due to which, in such nerve fibers, although action potential is generated, but the conduction of the impulse in such a nerve fiber does not take place in a cyclic manner, but takes place from one node of Ranvier to directly another one. Such a type of conduction of nerve impulse is known as saltatory conduction. This figure depicts the conduction of nerve impulse in form of saltatory. As it can be seen from the figure, the conduction of nerve impulse takes place directly from this node to the other one. This node is node of Ranvier, where specific medullary nerves or fibers are absent. So such a type of conduction is called saltatory conduction. Now after the initiation and conduction of nerve impulse comes the third stage, that is transmission of nerve impulse. This transmission takes place at synapse. As already discussed earlier, synapse is a physical gap that is present between the axon of one neuron and the dendrites of the other. This physical gap is of about 200 angstrom in length. When a nerve impulse reaches synapse, then a substance called acetylcholine is released. Now, as it can be seen from the figure, acetylcholine is responsible for the transmission of nerve impulse through synapse. The steps of which follow in this manner. First of all, a nerve fiber possessing presynaptic portion possess action potential, which thereby depolarizes the nerve fiber, due to which the acetylcholine substance is released, due to which the calcium ion permeability increases and it gradually moves towards the inner side, as a result of which acetylcholine binds to the receptor which are present on the postsynaptic nephron or nerve fiber. Due to binding of acetylcholine to the receptors of the postsynaptic junction, excitation potential occurs, due to which sodium ions enter the cell, due to which the depolarization stage or active potential stage during the excitation stage occurs. Then, due to the presence of sodium ions, this acetylcholine gets inactivated by enzyme known as acetylcholinesterase, due to which the choline gets reabsorbed to the presynaptic terminal, and as a result further the repolarization stage arises, due to which nerve impulse passes to the next neuron. Thus, during depolarization stage, the permeability of Ca2 plus ion increases, due to which it moves towards the inside of membrane. Due to which the acetylcholine chemical binds to the receptor of postsynaptic membrane. Due to which the sodium ions enter the cell. Thereby, due to the presence of these sodium ions, the depolarization stage gets repolarized and the transmission of impulse takes place from one neuron to another. This figure depicts the transmission of nerve impulse via synapse. Then gradually, due to repolarization, this acetylcholine gets inactivated due to repolarization, which secretes the enzyme acetylcholine esterase, which is symbolically represented as ACHE. This enzyme is present in the cleft and postsynaptic membrane. Due to which acetylcholine gets converted to choline and acetic acid. Which is thereby reabsorbed by the synaptic knob where resynthesis of the neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine, in presence of ATP takes place, which again takes part in the depolarization stage and makes it repolarized. Thus, in synapse, the transmission of impulse takes place with the help of this receptor, and the direction of this impulse is not fixed because neurotransmitter is only secreted by axon and not dendrite. And so, the nerve direction of impulse is not fixed due to absence of neurotransmitter at dendrite. This was all about transmission of nerve impulse.